Hi guys, welcome back. Today we're going to show you how to build this door for the front of the store, the 50's diner. Okay, the first thing you need to do is you need to get yourself some 7-inch coffee stirring sticks or some 1/4-inch wood, but these are pretty cheap, so that's what we did. And then at the bottom we got the thicker popsicle stick, which looks like this. Okay.
Cut it square, rectangular.
All right, so you want to cut that off to make it fit on both sides there. All right, and then what you want to do is put some tape with the sticky side up so you have something to hold it in place while you're doing it. Put your smaller piece in the middle and glue it there, and your 2 long pieces on the side and glue it there.
And glue the bottom piece on.
And then you want to cut the bottom, which would be square on both sides, not rounded on one side, and you want to glue it across there. That's going to give you the panel that looks like this. All right, you need to make 2 of these. After that, then you're going to want to sandwich them together with some plexiglass. All right, which we are using sheet protector. So it's not really plexiglass. You can use plexiglass. It'll make it a little bit thicker though. All right, so you want to go ahead and glue that on there, and then
just cut it.
When it's dry, you can cut it out, or you can cut it out beforehand, whatever is easier for you. All right, so we're just using some Loctite super glue for that.
Spread it out so it don't ooze out all over the place.
Use a spare stick that you have left over and just kind of straighten it out so you don't have like bubbles of it. All right, now you want to go ahead and put your glass on there. Try to get as much of it with the dust off as you can. All right, now once that's dry, you want to cut it out. We're not sandwiching this on there yet because we're going to do a duct tape hinge. So once that's dry, you'll cut that out to fit, and then I'll show you how to do the duct tape hinge. So we'll be right back.